Hey everyone, Eduardo here, back with another video, and this time I got to go out and do some street photography in the rain. Now, I live in Southern California, more specifically Los Angeles, and down here we hardly get any rain. So whenever we do get some rain, I'm that kind of person that enjoys being out instead of being inside under the covers or on the couch. I actually like to go outside and enjoy that type of weather. For this particular POV video, the gear that I use in terms of camera and lens, I used my Sony A7C Mark I, which is what I'm shooting this with currently, and I also used the 40mm G lens from Sony, which has an aperture of f2.5, and I also combined it with a Black Pro Mist filter 1/8, just so I can try to get some more that bloom effect with certain highlights, which hopefully you'll see in these pictures that I took. So this was my first time ever going out to do some street photography in the rain, and I got to learn a couple of things which I will go over at the end of this video. So hopefully you guys enjoy it, and I'll catch you at the end. why I'm drawn to this, but so that was my first ever street photography session in the rain. And the one thing that I couldn't stop thinking about while I was walking around and then also afterwards was that it really sucks having to walk around and have both your hands occupied. One of my hands I had the camera, and then the other I had the umbrella, so I only had one hand to really adjust settings. But luckily the camera that I was using, the Sony A7C, it's a small bodied camera, so it wasn't that annoying for me because it was somewhat easy to adjust settings compared to if I was using a bigger bodied camera, say like a Sony A7R5. But regardless of all that, I did have a lot of fun being out in the rain because it was a nice contrast to the past times that I've gone to downtown LA to do some street photography. In the past, it's not been raining, and so there's been a lot more people, especially during lunchtime, out in public spaces and public tables having lunch, and it's just way more crowded. And so the fact that it was raining, gloomy, cloudy weather, it just fit perfectly. The fact that there weren't that many people out and about. And so I liked it. It was relaxing, as many of these street photography sessions are for me, which is why I love going out to take pictures. Yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I want to leave you guys with one question just so we can sort of get a discussion going in the comments, hopefully. And that is, what is your favorite type of weather or time of day to do street photography? When is it that you feel the most inspired to go out and take pictures? Is it during the fall, winter, summer, during the mornings, afternoons, evenings, sunset, sunrise? But yeah, go ahead and let me know in the comments below which is your favorite time of day, or as I said, season, whatever, to go out and take pictures. And I will catch you guys on the next one. See ya.